Welcome back to Quiz Splash, where fun quizzes come to life. Today, the bee is back with a brand new challenge just for you. You'll see one photo of a famous landmark, and your task is to guess the country before the timer runs out. Let's see how sharp your brain really is. France. Magnifique, well done. Let's see if you can guess this one. Egypt. You cracked it like a true explorer. Ready for the next landmark? India. Brilliant guess. Those were the first three. Have you guessed them all so far? This one is a bit more challenging. Let's see if you can get this one right. Brazil. That was smooth, well played. Here comes another one. USA, Stars and Stripes, correct. Let's keep going. China, nicely spotted. Can you guess this next one? Australia, great eye. Next landmark coming up. Italy, bellissimo. Let's test you again. United Kingdom, spot on. Here's the next challenge. Russia, strong guess. Let's see the next one. Japan, perfectly done. Next landmark is up. Spain, ole, that's correct. Can you get this one? Germany, well reasoned. Here comes another. Turkey, excellent choice. Let's keep testing you. Saudi Arabia, nailed it. Next one loading. UAE, very sharp. Guess this one. South Africa, well done. Ready for more? Kenya. Great call. Let's go again. Canada. Correct. Nice work. Next landmark incoming. Mexico. That's question 20. And you're doing great so far. This next one will really test you. Can you get it right? Peru. Excellent. Let's continue. Chile. Well spotted. Here's another. Argentina. Nicely done. Guess the next one. Greece. Myth level skills. Next challenge. Thailand. You're on fire. Can you keep it up? Vietnam. Correct. Let's see the next. Indonesia. Great thinking. Next landmark. Malaysia. Well done. Here we go again. Singapore. Sharp guess. Next up. South Korea. That's 30, and your focus is impressive so far. This one might trick you. Let's see. North Korea. Correct. Keep watching closely. Mongolia. Well reasoned. Next landmark. Kazakhstan. Nicely done. Let's move on. Iran. That's right. Here's another. Iraq. Correct. Next one coming. Palestine. Well spotted. Can you guess this? Jordan, excellent. Next challenge. Lebanon. Nice. Let's go again. Syria. Well done. Guess the next one. Nepal. Correct. Next landmark. Bhutan. Great eye. Can you keep going? Sri Lanka. Nicely done. Here's another. Maldives. Beautiful guess. Next one. Pakistan. Correct. Let's continue. Afghanistan. Well done. Next up. Bangladesh. Perfect. Ready for another? Myanmar. Correct. Next landmark. Philippines? Nicely guessed. Can you get this one? New Zealand, spot on. One more coming. Fiji. That's 50 and you've come a long way. Only a few left. Stay sharp. Norway. Excellent. Next challenge. Sweden. Well played. Here's another. Denmark. Correct. Keep it up. Netherlands. Nice work. Next landmark. Belgium. That's right, almost there. Switzerland. Clean guess. Next one. Austria. Well done. Can you get this? Hungary. Correct. Here we go. Poland. Nice. Final one coming. Czech Republic. You did it. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. That's today's Quiz Splash. Drop your score in the comments, like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.